Welcome to AI Capsule. I'm your host Larbi Chakir, and in this episode, I'm giving you a no-nonsense fact-based breakdown of tonight's launch event headlined by Elon Musk and the team at xAI. Let's get straight to what happened. Tonight, Elon Musk took the stage to unveil Grok 3, a next-generation AI system that marks a significant leap forward from its predecessor, Grok 2. In clear and uncompromising language, Musk and the xAI team presented a system designed to answer the universe's most challenging questions. They explained that Grok 3 is built to handle complex reasoning, advanced problem-solving, and real-time data analysis, with a level of performance that outstrips anything we've seen before. Key facts from the event: Grok 3's capabilities. Grok 3 is described as being an order of magnitude more capable than Grok 2. The AI is engineered to perform advanced chain-of-thought reasoning. This means that, when given a complex problem, the system can think through multiple layers of reasoning before arriving at an answer. It isn't just regurgitating data, it's actually processing and analyzing it on a deeper level. This capability is especially evident in its performance on mathematics, science, and coding benchmarks. For example, during the event, Grok 3 was tasked with solving a high-level physics problem, generating an accurate real-time trajectory plot for a spacecraft transferring from Earth to Mars and back. The AI produced a Python script on the spot, complete with an animated 3D plot that demonstrated the spacecraft's journey. The accuracy of this simulation was remarkable and clearly highlighted Grok 3's advanced reasoning ability. Engineering feat: the data center, a central pillar of Grok 3's performance is the infrastructure that powers it. xAI built a massive data center from scratch by repurposing an abandoned factory in Memphis. Within 122 days, they managed to get a cluster of 100,000 H100 GPUs up and running. Not stopping there, they doubled that capacity in just 92 days. The technical challenges were significant. They had to overcome issues related to power delivery, managing a load that demanded smoothing out dramatic fluctuations using reprogrammed Tesla Megapack units, and ensure efficient cooling for the liquid-cooled GPUs. Every step of the process was engineered to maximize efficiency and reliability, so the AI could be trained and run without interruption. Real-time demonstrations. During the event, several live demonstrations showcased Grok 3's capabilities. One demonstration involved generating a physics simulation to plot the trajectory for a spacecraft from Earth to Mars and back. This wasn't a pre-recorded demo, it was executed live. The AI generated a complete Python script that not only calculated the necessary parameters, but also animated the flight path in 3D. The simulation's precision was impressive, and it clearly illustrated how Grok 3 could assist in planning complex aerospace missions. Another demonstration focused on creativity and problem-solving in real time. Grok 3 was challenged to design a new game that combined elements of Tetris and Bejeweled. Instead of recycling existing game mechanics, the AI synthesized a unique working game concept on the spot. This demo was significant because it showed that Grok 3 could innovate in creative fields, producing content that goes beyond simple pattern matching or copying of known solutions. Deep Search, a new approach to information retrieval. xAI introduced a product called Deep Search during the launch. Deep Search is designed to be a next-generation search engine that leverages Grok 3's advanced reasoning. Unlike traditional search engines that return a list of links, Deep Search provides detailed, step-by-step explanations of its reasoning process. When a user asks a question, say, about the timing of the next Starship launch, the system will not only pull in the relevant data but also show a thinking trace that explains how it arrived at its answer. This feature is intended to build trust in the AI's outputs by making the process transparent and verifiable. Enterprise and API expansion. Elon Musk and the xAI team emphasized that Grok 3 is not just a consumer product. An API is in the works that will allow businesses and developers to integrate Grok 3's advanced reasoning and deep search capabilities into their own applications. This move is aimed at opening up the technology for enterprise use cases, where real-time, in-depth analysis can be applied to everything from financial forecasting to complex engineering challenges. Continuous learning and daily improvements. One of the standout claims made at the event is that Grok 3 is designed to learn continuously, Rather than being a static product, the AI is updated daily through reinforcement learning. This means that users might notice tangible improvements in performance and capability, even within a 24-hour period. The system is built to evolve and refine its outputs based on new data and user feedback. This approach to continuous improvement is a cornerstone of the AI's long-term value proposition. Availability and rollout strategy. Early access to Grok 3 will be granted through premium subscriptions available on the X app and the dedicated website grok.com. There is also a special Super Grok tier aimed at power users and early adopters who demand the most advanced features available. The multi-channel rollout is designed to ensure that both tech enthusiasts and enterprise customers can benefit from the new capabilities of Grok 3 right from the start. The vision: a quest for truth. Throughout the event, the central narrative was one of an unyielding quest for truth. xAI's mission, as articulated by Musk and the team, is to use Grok 3 to understand the universe at a fundamental level. This includes tackling the biggest questions. What is the meaning of life? How did the universe begin? Where are the aliens? The AI is built to pursue truth relentlessly, even if that means challenging politically correct narratives. This vision is not just about solving problems, but about pushing the boundaries of knowledge itself. Technical depth and transparency. The event also highlighted the transparency built into Grok 3. For instance, during live demonstrations, the system's chain of thought reasoning was partially revealed to the audience. This wasn't a complete disclosure of the AI's internal workings, but it offered enough insight to show that the system was processing multiple layers of reasoning before providing an answer. This approach is designed to build confidence among users and stakeholders that the AI's outputs are not merely based on memorized responses, but on active, analytical thinking. Challenges and future roadmap. Even as Grok 3 showcased groundbreaking capabilities, the speakers were candid about the challenges ahead. Building and maintaining a data center of this magnitude is no small feat. The engineering challenges, from managing power fluctuations and cooling systems to ensuring stable network connectivity among tens of thousands of GPUs, were acknowledged as monumental tasks. The team outlined plans for future iterations, hinting at even more powerful clusters and refined models that will push the envelope even further. Recap of what happened tonight. Elon Musk's keynote. Elon Musk opened the event with a clear message. Grok 3 represents a transformative leap in AI technology. He emphasized that this system is built not just to perform routine tasks, but to challenge our understanding of the universe. His remarks were direct and focused on the capabilities of Grok 3 to solve complex, layered problems that span multiple domains. Live demonstrations. The event featured live demos that showcased Grok 3's ability to perform real-time physics simulations and generate innovative, creative outputs. In one demo, the AI produced a Python script to simulate a spacecraft's journey between Earth and Mars. In another, it created a novel game design by merging classic gaming elements. These demonstrations were executed without pre-recorded content, highlighting the system's capacity for live reasoning and rapid adaptation. Infrastructure reveal. A significant portion of the event was dedicated to explaining the engineering marvel behind Grok 3. The repurposing of an abandoned Memphis factory into a state-of-the-art data center, capable of supporting over 100,000 GPUs, was presented as a monumental achievement. Detailed technical insights were shared about the challenges of power management and cooling, underscoring the scale and ambition of the project. Deep Search and API integration. xAI introduced the Deep Search feature, a next-generation search engine that uses Grok 3's reasoning to provide transparent, detailed answers. Alongside this, plans for an API were announced which will allow third-party developers and enterprises to integrate Grok 3's advanced functionalities into their own applications. This move is aimed at broadening the impact of the technology beyond consumer use. Continuous improvement and future developments. The event stressed that Grok 3 is not a finished product but an evolving platform. The system is updated daily through reinforcement learning, meaning its performance will improve continuously. Future iterations of both the model and the supporting infrastructure were hinted at, with plans for even more powerful computational clusters on the horizon. Philosophical underpinnings. Central to the event was the vision of using AI to answer profound universal questions. The team made it clear that Grok 3 is designed to be a truth-seeking AI, one that isn't afraid to question established norms and challenge conventional wisdom. This philosophical stance sets Grok 3 apart from many other AI systems that focus solely on efficiency or convenience. What this means for the industry. The launch of Grok 3 is a pivotal moment in the AI landscape. With its unprecedented reasoning capabilities, massive data center infrastructure, and a commitment to continuous improvement, Grok 3 has the potential to transform industries ranging from aerospace and finance to gaming and creative arts. By providing a transparent, detailed reasoning process through features like deep search, the system also addresses a growing demand for accountability and explainability in AI outputs. Businesses and developers now have the opportunity to integrate an AI that not only processes data quickly, but also thinks deeply about the problems at hand. This could mean better decision-making tools, more reliable predictive models, and innovative applications that we have yet to imagine. For consumers, the promise of a search engine that explains its reasoning could fundamentally change how we interact with information online. Looking ahead, the event, while focused on the launch of Grok 3, also set the stage for future developments. The roadmap outlined by the XAI team suggests that we're only at the beginning of a much larger journey. Plans to further scale the computational infrastructure and refine the AI's reasoning abilities indicate that future versions of Grok will be even more capable. Moreover, the commitment to daily updates through reinforcement learning means that the system will continuously adapt and improve, keeping pace with the rapid evolution of technology. In summary, tonight's launch event, led by Elon Musk and the XAI team, was a factual high-energy presentation of Grok 3, a next-generation AI system with advanced reasoning, real-time problem-solving, and unprecedented computational power. From live physics simulations and creative game design demos to a deep-dive look at the massive data center that powers the AI, every element of the event was geared toward demonstrating Grok 3's potential to redefine the future of artificial intelligence. As we move forward, the implications of Grok 3's release are vast. For industries reliant on precise, real-time data analysis and decision-making, Grok 3 promises to be a powerful tool. For tech enthusiasts and AI researchers, it represents a bold step into a future where AI systems not only support but also innovate in ways that were previously unimaginable. And for anyone interested in the deeper questions of our existence, Grok 3 stands as a testament to the power of technology in the quest for truth. That's the straightforward, fact-based recap of tonight's event. In today's episode of AI Capsule, we will delve even deeper into the specifics. We'll analyze the technical details, discuss the engineering challenges overcome by the XAI team, and consider what these developments mean for the broader AI landscape. Stay tuned as we break down each key moment and explore the real-world applications that Grok 3 is poised to revolutionize. Thank you for joining me on this factual journey through tonight's launch event. I'm Larbi Chakir, and you're listening to AI Capsule. Let's get into the details.